Hey. Good morning. How are my people out there, my family? This is your girl, Karina, hitting you with another video. This time I'm at my favorite place, Farmers Market. And on this segment of Welcome to My Kitchen, I am showing you where I go. This is City Center in DC, downtown. So this is where I'm at. So yes, I'm at my favorite place, the Farmers Market, to get delicious, fresh produce from local farmers from Maryland, from Virginia, and they come to DC. So, and I think some come from even Pennsylvania. Today, I suppose I had a interview with one of my my farmers, but unfortunately, due to circumstances, he was not here. So because of that, I'm still here, waiting for it to open up. It'll open up in 5 minutes. And hopefully I'll get my watermelon, as they say in Espanol, sandía, so I can make my watermelon smoothie and check me back when in my kitchen for that recipe of smoothies. All right, it's almost that time, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now. Adiós.